Hakanta kali jingli sengi bashipau ke dorbar mangtangka jongga yang dorbar tawan ke jela Meghalaya hakhalai traik ulber aja opsan uba Sñiawbhalang dahar sembut menteri rangba beri pej ektenat urban affairs ula pentip bagi Jaka bahe prospa Acre Mawkhanu empat dan ciekran ban Pynkylla European Ward Jaka syushu aba cuba bagi jingli na uba bright travel marbanyang MLA ke VPP na Maulai uba Sñiawbhalang ulaong bagi cingcingai na ka sekretariat bathamai jikate ke Jaka kalong kemba khatsan kilometer halor ke jingli benrap na uba Arden Mila Besai Moy MLA ke VPP na Nongkrem balak bandan ki poiwer ki bon sa bian nakaliang uba Sñiawbhalang ulaong bakimdan hendrai ulah priang pat bandan da ke jingcurip.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to star question 99. A. Sir, the distance from the new Meghalaya secretariat to the government land of Mawkhanu is 10 kilometers. B. Sir, no sir. And reply to C. No sir. And reply to D. Sir, the area required for the setting up of the landfill site is approximately 100 to 150 acres.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to thank you for the opportunity. Sir, we are aware that the government is developing the new secretariat with all the directorates at Sauli. My purpose of asking the question on distance is that if proper roads are made and developed from Sauli to Mawkhanu, then the distance will perhaps be further reduced and not far. So my question is whether the government has thought of allotting land to district or other offices in the government land at Mawkhanu, and if so, how many have approached the department so far? I would also like to know the method of assessment of land required by any office.
Mr. Speaker, sir, presently we haven't decided to allot to any department, but yes, we plan as government and decision will be taken in the right times.
So my next supplementary is like this, sir. The land at Mawkhanu is around 800 acres or so, which translate to roughly around 3 square kilometer, which is bigger than the European ward. Therefore, sir, I would like a categorical reply, yes or no, from the Honorable Minister, whether it will be converted into another European ward or RR colony in Rinja or like other revenue plots, since we have heard yesterday from the press that the KSU was referring to a transfer of land or lease to non-tribals, where the land is now protected by blue tin sheets, which I now urge the government to quickly check and withdraw any such transfer or lease of land. Another vital issue is that the Honorable Minister may kindly reply whether the Meghalaya Transfer of Land Regulation Act will apply or not, that no transfer of land by any means shall be made to a non-tribal or non-tribal entity, be it an individual or company or of any composition or by way of lease like the IAS colony at Sauli.
You are asking two questions at a time.
Mr. Speaker, sir, as of now there is no such plan because the master plan is still preparing. Only then we will take a call at the right times and the right decision. As of now, no plan to give to anybody, and no plan to convert also into European presently. That is for the respective question.
Yes.
Another supplementary question, sir. My final supplementary question, Speaker, sir, is that I urge and prevail upon the Honorable Minister that in light of the negative reply to C, and my suggestion to the government is that since the government land at Mawkhanu is around 800 acres, so I would like to request the government to kindly re-examine and determine to develop the waste management plan in the government land at Mawkhanu.
Mr. Speaker, sir, Why I say no in the SRC? Because we had proposed another alternative land in Nohali for the new landfill site. That is the reason I reply no here in question C.
Yes, Barden Bosome, please.
Sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister whether there is any illegal settling of people in Mawkhanu area, since the government has replied that the government has not allotted any land to outsiders violating the Meghalaya Transfer of Land Regulation Act. So whether at present is there any illegal settling of people in that area, sir?
Mr. Speaker, no, sir. There is no illegal settler.
So may I request the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister to have a spot inspection to ensure that there is no such illegal settling of outsiders is taking place in that area.
Mr. Speaker, yes, no problem. Point is noted.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jingmentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jingim ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.